This tiny robot gets angry when you shake it. It shows expressions, tracks movement, and keeps you updated with time and weather. Meet Nemo, a network interactive monitoring or powered by ESP32C3 with expressive OLED eyes and built-in motion sensing. To keep everything compact, I used a Xiao ESP32C3, a tiny but powerful microcontroller, along with a 1.3-inch OLED display, a touch sensor, a motion sensor, a mini sliding switch, and a 3.7-volt lithium polymer battery with a charging module. First, I connected all the required components on a mini breadboard to test the code. To upload the code, simply connect the microcontroller to your PC or laptop. After hours of coding and debugging, I finally came up with this working version. Now we need to install the libraries used in this code. Just copy their names and paste them into the library manager. Next, enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Since we are already getting time from internet servers for weather data, go to Open Weather website, sign in and generate an API key. Copy that key and paste it here. Also make sure to update your city, country code and time zone. If you want, you can even rename your bot from here. Finally, select the Xiao ESP32C3 board and upload the code. As you can see, the code has been successfully uploaded and the motion sensor is working perfectly. When I shake it, it reacts by getting angry. To make it look better, I designed an enclosure in Tinkercad. Since I don't have a 3D printer right now, I am using JLC 3DP's 3D printing services. JLC 3DP is a well-known manufacturer of 3D printed parts. They have 3000 square meter of factory and over 300 industrial grade 3D printers. They also provide affordable 3D printing services for those who don't own a 3D printer and need to prototype their project at low cost. They offer 3D printing with a variety of technologies and materials. To order your parts, just visit jlc3dp.com, upload the STL file I have provided in the description, choose your preferred settings and place your order. This time I went with the newly introduced 9000 HE resin. Let's see how it turns out. The print quality is incredible, there are no visible layer lines and it feels solid just like high quality plastic. I customized the jumper wires to make connecting all components much easier. And before we continue, a big shout out to Altium, a platform that makes electronics designs easier, faster and more connected. It lets your team collaborate in real time by sharing designs, managing versions and staying in sync from anywhere. And for students, they have Altium Student Lab. Just sign up with your university email for free access to step-by-step PCB courses and industry recognized certifications that prepares you for real world roles and help you stand out in job opportunities. Hit the link in the description and start building your future with Altium. And here is the circuit diagram for this project to make your life easier. From this port, you can upload the code for any further modifications, and you can also charge Nemo from here. You can easily change the emotions with a long press and a single tap to navigate between time and weather. Long press again in those sections to access the world clock and the 3-day weather forecast. And that's how I brought this project to life. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.